Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys how to upgrade from 19 version to the next version and how to upgrade to the beta version. So I'm going to go ahead and launch Resolve here. And this is how you can check from your update menu. So you can see right now I'm on Studio 19. That's going to launch. And I'll just open this untitled project. It now says update is available. So since I'm on the Studio stable release, it's going to say, do you want 19.1.4? You could hit download. Now, if you go to the Blackmagic website, you can actually request the beta version, blackmagicdesign.com. Right here, we have a Resolve 20. I'm going to click that, and here's how you can get access to either version. So I made a video about this the other day, but this will be a brief overview. As soon as you click the free download, you can see up here we have a DaVinci 20 public beta and DaVinci 20 Studio. So this is how you can get the two beta versions, and then down here is where you'd get the two 19 versions, which is the same as that prompt gives you. So if you're looking to go to beta, you actually have to go and install it from here. It's not going to prompt you unless you're already on a beta setup. It'll actually say beta right here. So if we update here, it's only going to go to the 19.4 official release. So if we click download, it'll take us to a download installer, and we'll be asked to overwrite our files and install the latest, greatest version. So let's go ahead and download. It'll ask you where you want it to download to. All right, so once it downloads your file, it's going to unzip it, de-archive it. We still have Resolve running, and that's okay. You can leave it running. So now we have a brand new 19.1.4 DMG. I'm going to double click it, and this will give us a dialog box and walk us through the installer. Here it is. So then you can just hit install package. This will give you a little bit of a introduction, a user license agreement, and it asks you, where do you want to install this? Tells you how much space it's going to take. And then it starts writing your files. It actually overwrites the existing software. All right, so after your installation, you'll get this successful installation notification. You can hit close. It'll ask you if you want to move that DMG to the trash or keep it. I'm going to keep it. So let's go ahead and quit Resolve, and we'll relaunch it from the same. That's going to go ahead and relaunch this version. And if you have automatic updates on it, we'll go ahead and prompt you when a new one comes out. You don't have to monitor that. So we're still get Studio 19. And this should be 19.1.4 on this version once it loads the usual. So we'll grab this untitled project. And now if we go check for updates, you can see it says up to date. So once again, if you're on the official release, that's as far as it's going to go. And if you want beta, you have to go and download that one in particular because you're agreeing to a less stable beta version, which is not an official release. All right, and that's how you can update from your menu or go to the Blackmagic Design website and download it straight from there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.